trading hour, and let's talk about the commodity space now. Manisha joins us, and today she's going to tell us all about copper prices. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Pavitra. And what a strong gain we've continued to see in metal prices, especially copper, which continues to lead from the forward. We are looking at prices trading near those 2-month highs. And it's all because China really has started dialing back on the COVID restrictions. We're looking at on-ground demand coming back, and that clearly has been supportive. It has taken prices up by nearly 3% for the month of December. And this is after we saw 10.6% of gains already come in for the month of November as well. So the markets are looking at lower inventories to begin with. On LME and Shanghai, we are looking at inventories at multi-year lows there, and China is now looking to rebuild its depleted inventories, and that is what is adding premium to the prices. If you look at the November imports into China for copper and products, that was up by nearly 5.8% on an year-on-year basis. Markets have seen stronger demand come in from European Union as well. That has been supportive. Also, there is a report from Glencore saying that if you go by the IEA net zero emission estimates, then that puts copper into a deficit at around 50 million tons between 2020 to 2030. There are these kind of stronger statements coming in from Wood Mackenzie too, which says that with the kind of demand that we are looking at or predicting, the capex spend is much lower at $12 billion expected at 2025, and that clearly must have peaked at $32 billion in 2012 there. Very strong statements continuing in case of Goldman Sachs, which is putting out copper price expectations at $11,000 per ton in the next year, which is an all-time high, and they expect the prices to continue to gain to $12,000 per ton by 2024. Goldman Sachs also says that the renewables demand itself, if you look at the least or most conservative expectation there, then copper demand is expected to gain up by 600% by 2030, and the world is staring at a big deficit, and that would continue to support prices going forward.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. I just wanted to point out there are a couple of